Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to make a quick video on Bitcoin. I am not liking this resistance right now. I'm not liking that Bitcoin's not able to actually break that 48721 resistance. I'm not liking that this past weekend it basically just traded sideways as opposed to going to the upside. And I'm not happy that this is actually happening while we are about to close a bear week. I'm telling you guys right now, if we drop a little bit more and we actually trigger a bear close for the weekly chart, we can start expecting some pretty nice drops on Bitcoin. There needs to be some sort of like huge buy-in to come in order to reverse this, but every single chart is looking really bearish. And the last TA that I thought Bitcoin was gonna hit 50K this weekend, and it didn't even get close, right? So it's not looking really good on the weekly. It's looking like it's not breaking that 48721 level. You guys can actually see the weekly candle. You can actually see a peak over here. You can see that peak of 50,300, 400 or so, right? And that other candle actually got created right under that 48721 resistance, which is not good at all, especially because, like I said, it is looking like more than likely this week, possibly next week, if we keep trading sideways or down, we're gonna be closing a bear week, and that's gonna be a really good testament of, are we gonna see a 30 to 60% correction? I'm telling you guys right now, from historical runs, it's pretty likely that we're gonna go down anywhere between 30 to 60%, especially the way that we're trading. That huge candle that we just saw on the 4-hour, it's not finished yet. We have another 46 minutes, and on the hour, we had a huge move to the downside. We're already under relative lows, right? So relative lows are actually right here at 47,409. We already broke under that. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually dump all the way to 45K at this point. Everything in the chart is showing me bullish. It had multiple instances of breaking this 48,721 resistance, and it didn't take it, right? It didn't take any of that and broke to the upside. So as of right now, it just, everything looks bearish, right? It's kind of hard to really see what's going to happen to Bitcoin, when we're seeing these consistent candles to the downside, and it's having a really hard time breaking that 48,721 level and going to highs of like roughly 51K. So again, you would need a very strong push to the upside to reverse all this, and I'm definitely hoping for that. But like I said, the reason I'm worried is we're not really that far off on closing a bear week, and once we close a bear week, that is the real test of whether we're gonna crash all the way back to like potentially 30K, or if that get cancels out, we're maybe going to like 80K. I don't know what's going on right now, and it's kind of hard for me to really determine like an end all be all for Bitcoin right now. But if I had to take a guess, I would say that once that weekly closes on the bear side, we're gonna see a drop. At least that's what my gut's telling me right now. So I'll see you guys later.